Hi guys, I've missed you all. I know it took me a while to post a proper video, and I guess this video will be it to kind of update you with everything. 2022 is the year that I am so grateful for. A lot of things happened really, and all of my energy was given to the things that I considered my priorities. I have a lot of news, both good and bad, so buckle up, pour yourself a glass of wine, tea, or coffee. Right now, I'm just um, rearranging or arranging or making my 2023 vision board as we welcome the new year with full of hopes and things that we look forward to. And Harinawa, may all these things come true. And with that, I also developed my new budget plan for the year 2023, and I hope everybody will have a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. And I look forward to new amazing New Year with you guys. And I just checked and we just reached 1.1 thousand subscribers. Thank you so much, guys. I'm so happy for that. So just a quick life update, guys. I really got so busy with my studies. You know that I am a graduate student and I have been focusing on my studies, my thesis, and I have already defended my proposal, and I am on my way to conduct and to finally defend my final defense soon. So one of my vision for 2023 is that I will be graduating this 2023, and hopefully I can proceed with my PhD. So for now, let's do some, let's fix my nails for this season, because it's Christmas and it's that festive holiday, and I don't like the really long nails. That's why I cut it short. Not really short, but this is the result of it. So that's really cute. So I really want to focus on this following things that hopefully I vibe with, I vibrate, and I resonate with all those things, and I hope that I will be thriving and vibing, as you can see. And Harinawa, may all of this come true. Right now, I'm just checking what is still applicable and what are the budget categories that are already done, paid, and not applicable for this upcoming year. And I'm just checking if I still have cash left, or if I should include a category still, or if I should add another category. And of course, I have to update if my budget is still that amount and all. Alright guys, so this is so far the budget setup that I already made. And this 2023, I really want to focus on simplicity and straight to the point budgeting and simple budgeting, where I can focus on my monthly obligations, and of course priority is saving, though I have this eliminated from the envelopes, because as you all know, I manifested this one, so this is already done. I already had my iPad, and for my holiday trip, which this will be replaced with either of for my Christmas or travel sinking funds. So for my sinking funds, I want to focus on this too, for the travel or giving back, so that will be during Christmas time. So let me just finalize this one, and I will show you my 2023 budget setup, which I will be making using my iPad. As you all know, we started my planning last year, January 2022, with this budget setup. So I will be saying goodbye to this writing, because since I mentioned that I will be using my iPad, I will be switching to digital budgeting.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he describes by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
This budget plan I will start this during the month of January. So I'm back, guys, with the imported document that I created from Canva. I used Canva to plot my budget plan this 2023. So this will be the month. Then for paycheck number 1, which is every 15th of the month, I will put here the amount. Then for paycheck number 2, I will also put the amount here every end of the month here. Then as a review, I have here my monthly obligations. On this column, we have G loan. I applied for the G loan just to create my credit score sa GCash. Then house payment 3K, insurance number 1 3K, orthodontist 3K, postpaid plan, which is my phone. That is a smart po siya na postpaid plan, 2,600. Then for my tuition or for my thesis, I have to pay, or I have to save monthly 2,000. Then for Shopee, I also use the Shopee Pay Later na benefit. I don't know if you could call that benefit but I really enjoy using that one. So my January bill, I have 477. Then for insurance too, I have 1,120. Then for home bills, which is yung bills that we split here in our home, electricity, water bill, and others, internet and all, my share is 1,500. So that is for monthly obligations. Then for variable spending, I have here spending is 200 for gifts. In case I have someone very dear to me that is celebrating his or her birthday, that I have to give something, so at least I have something. So that's 100. Then toiletries for personal use and all, I have 100 for that. Then for allowance, I will get this from paycheck 1, 500, and from paycheck 2, 500. So my allowance per month is 1,000. Then as I said earlier, my focus for my sinking funds will be just 2 for this year. That will be gift giving during Christmas as my way of giving back. So Christmas per month, the amount is 500. Then for travel, I don't know which travel, but you have seen my vision board that I want to go to the National Museum, so that will be 500 as well. Then for important note, this I will put that important, my savings is 5,000 pesos. And that is it. This is my budget setup, my budget plan for 2023. This could be changed anytime depending on my situation, but at least I'm planning right now using this digital because it is really as well convenient for me. And with this, I really love my writing and stuff, but with this I can securely back up my files, and I can bring anywhere in case I have to write down something and I have to, you know, track my expenses and all. So for now, let's proceed to cleaning up my envelopes. By the way, I have to thank Miss Leah. Thank you, Miss Leah of Live Budgets, for gifting me these. Nasaan na yung eto pa. These are so cute. I really love the colors. It's giving peachy pink vibes. Same ng nails. Actually, these are just press-ons. But thank you so much, Miss Leah of Live Budgets. If you want to check out her channel, guys, I will link it down below. She actually has a Shopee shop. You can buy these very cute and handmade envelopes for your cash categories and for your binders as well. Thank you so much, Miss Leah of Live Budgets. That's it, you guys. No cash stuffing for now because my December budget is already been okay. We will be stuffing money starting January, which is the first month of 2023, and I'm just sharing this new setup to you. So we will say goodbye to this notebook, and every time I cash or update my budget for that month, you will see this as my cash. What do you call this one? Oh my god, my mind is not working again. So I have this cash tray, my cash binders, my budget planner, and all. So that's it, you guys. I'll see you guys. Ingat and Merry Christmas.